Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Porsche Macan air filter. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and open the hood to begin. Gather a clean replacement filter, a T25 Torx driver, and a soft brush. Work slowly to avoid damaging clips and keep the old filter for comparison. I will walk you through each step clearly, with tips for a tight fit and proper sealing. Before you begin, confirm you have the right replacement filter for your Macan model and year. Lay out tools neatly so nothing gets lost during the swap. Turn off accessories and let the engine cool for safety. I'll describe removing the intake cover, freeing clips, and lifting the housing without forcing parts. Stay patient and inspect the housing for debris, then clean with a soft brush before installing the new filter. Start by removing the intake cover screws and set them aside in a tray to avoid loss. Release the clips gently and lift the cover straight up to prevent damaging seals. Pull out the old filter and note its orientation for correct replacement. Clean the housing of leaves and dust, then position the new filter with the same side facing the intake. Reinstall clips, screws, and test by starting the engine briefly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.